Hello friends, I am Kamlesh Kumar, Assistant Professor in Briani Girls College. Today we will discuss about system design elements of a system design. In our previous class we will discuss about system, introduction about system, why we need system, and elements of the system. In last element we will discuss last element of the system, feedback. Feedback measure output system. Feedback may be positive or negative, rotor or information. Feedback, those we have to taken from users. Block diagram of system. For example, input control device work with system processing. We will send data and then we have to receive output as feedback. Those data we have to receive in output form, that is known as feedback also. After this feedback it is going to sensor, and sensor to goes to again input device. Sorry. Characteristics. After this block diagram we have to use system characteristics. Characteristics of a system. Characteristics in the sense, the basic following characteristics are here: organization, instructions, interdependence, integration. These four characteristics are followed in system that we will discuss. Continue. First of all, we will discuss about organization. Organization. What is organization and why we will discuss in organization in system? Organization, interaction, interdependence and integrations. These things we have to discuss in this. First we will discuss about organization. Organization in impulse, structure and order. Basically structure in organization that works properly with orders. Order in, for example, a computer system is a design around an input device, CPU and output device on or other storage devices. When linked together, they work as whole system for producing information. It means we can say in organization a particular thing work properly in a order that we have to give to a instruction. This kind of thing. For example, computer system is interact with CPU, monitor, these kind of things. In another, for example, the example of organization structure: president, vice president. Like both these are different. Vice president in sales, vice president in production and vice presidents in accounting. In vice president's production we have to divide it in two departments: department head. It is assembly and it is a painting department. It is also divided in different form. It means कि department of head assembly is divided in different form. Different form, it means workers. We can say workers. Workers may be 3 or more, 4, 5, 6, whatever. In department of painting, same thing. Workers are divided in just like routes. Next one is interaction. Interaction refer to the manner in which each component function with other component of the system. Every component has connected to each other and they can work with similar. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and visit our website gurukpo.com. Thank you.